Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on my mini pochette accessories and what fits inside. So if you are interested about this piece and deciding if you want to buy it or wondering what you can use this for, then just keep on watching. Before we get started, as always, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury pretty much. So if you're in that kind of thing, then please consider to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Mondays and Thursdays. So without further ado, let's just get right into this video. This is my Louis Vuitton mini pochette accessories. This is the Christmas animation of 2019. It is the Italian themed one with the Vivian on the gondola, the bridge, the beautiful detailing of the flowers. I just think this piece is so beautiful, and I do have an unboxing video on this, so if you want to check it out, I'll leave a link above. But yes, this is by far one of my favorite pieces in my collection, because if you've been watching me, if you know me, you guys know that I love versatile pieces. So I'm always looking for something that I can use multiple uses for. So yeah, just a little review about it. It comes with this chain that you know what I actually saw that was pretty interesting, that you could put like a long strap and make this like a little mini bag if you wanted to. Looks so cute because the chain is dangling while you have the strap. It's just adorable. I thought that was interesting and very creative, so you can also do that with this. But to talk about it a little more, it's just has gold hardware, comes with this little strap. I do have to say this is too dainty, and I don't know, it just feels a little cheap to me, on the cheap side, but I still love it because it just makes it and complements the mini pochette so well. The tab is what the color of the interior is. So my tab is blue, which makes it blue on the interior. It just has this beautiful blue color. I love color. The color blue is my favorite color. And this is in the monogram canvas. And yeah, so mine was also made in France. If you can see that. I don't know if it's gonna focus. There we go. So yes, it's made in France. And yeah, I just want to show you guys what ways you can use this. So let's get started. The first way that you can use this little baby right here is a makeup bag. I only use a few things. I'm not really into makeup. As you could tell in my videos, I don't wear makeup because I'm not into it. Never really been into it, but I do only use mascara and curl my eyelashes. So yeah, that's all I need. But I wanted to show you an example as well as a lotion in here. I just got this from Sephora. Okay, so here's my eyelash curler, my mascara, and I want to show you guys as I'm putting the things in. So my eyelash curler's in there, putting my mascara in there, and also this little lotion. And it zips up pretty perfectly. Doesn't make it distorted or anything. You can fit a lot more in here. If you have like a lipstick, you could fit quite a few lipsticks in here. You could fit maybe a blush or a mini like makeup brush. I also wanted to mention that you can use this as a wristlet. So one way, another way, the second way. One way, another way, the second way. Yeah, that makes sense. I like to use this as like my little mini wallet. These are all my cards right here. You can see that. So yeah, I have quite a few cards. So I'm putting that right in here, and it fits perfectly like that. And if you have some cash, you can always put cash in here. I just took all the cash out of my wallet that I had, and it fits perfectly in here. And if you have coins, I don't like to carry coins because they make the interior of my bag so dirty. So and I don't like to put them in my wallets because it just makes them look dirty and gross. I don't know. But yeah, see how perfectly it fits, cash, cards, and you can put coins if you have any. And it zips up perfectly. So this is a cute little way if you just don't want to carry a purse that day. If you want to just carry light, you can just use this as your little wallet clutch. You could fit more things in here if you wanted to use like a little mini purse for it. You can put chapstick in here. I will show you guys. Even grabbed my lotion. So this is my lotion, putting it in there. and also my chapstick because I cannot go anywhere without chapstick. And it closes perfectly. So this is like your little mini purse, and you can use it as a wristlet, so it's like your hands free in a way. But yeah, I think this is super cute, and you could definitely use it in that way. My third way of using this is a catch-all kind of bag, because this does fit in all my bags that I have. It's super easy because I could just throw things in here and put it in the bag, and when I want to change my bag, I could just take this out and enter it into a new bag. So I will show you guys what you could fit in this. Here I have my lotion like before. I have my chapstick. Then I have this little hand sanitizer. Can't go anywhere without hand sanitizer. I'm a germaphobe. I have a couple pieces of gum that I'm throwing right in there, and also a hair tie and a hair clip because my hair gets crazy. So yeah, let me show you the interior, how everything fits, and there's still so much room that you can fit in here if you want to put like a lipstick in here or anything else. But yeah, that is the third way of using this. The fourth way that you can use this baby is a gym bag. Doesn't that sound kind of off, but it works for me. So I will show you guys what you could fit in here, and you could just take this at the gym and you're ready to go. It's easy, it's perfect, it's small. I personally don't like to bring like a huge gym bag. For one, the gym that I go to, the lockers are way too small for a gym bag, and it's just frustrating. And when I'm done working out, I'm just so hot, I don't want to carry anything. I just want to like get out of there and go in my car, put the AC on, and just take a minute to like calm down, because when I work out, I literally get really into it, because I'm the type of person, if I don't feel sore, if I don't feel the pain, I feel like I'm not doing anything, if that makes sense. So, but that's not what the video is about, so let me show you guys what I can put in here to use as my little gym bag. Okay, so here is the mini pochette. I have my earbuds from Samsung, putting that right in there. I have hand sanitizer because I do wash my hands after I work out, but I just put this on just for like the extra germ killing effect. So I'm putting that in there. Then I have a Burt's Bees chapstick. I bring this everywhere. I have to. It's like a safe thing. I don't know, safety internal feeling. I just have to. Okay, and this is my favorite perfume at the moment. It is the Louis Vuitton, totally gonna butcher this name, Trappe Revez. I do not know, but if you're at a Louis Vuitton store ever, go smell this perfume. It is the best. I literally used it all. Let me show you guys. I literally used it all already. Like, there's nothing left in here. But yeah, this smells so good. If you're into like sweet, fruity scents, then this is literally the one for you. Yeah, and so after I work out, I just like to spritz myself a little bit, because, you know, don't want to smell sweaty. Okay, the other thing I have is just like little wipes that you can wipe your hands with if, I don't know, after you're like on a machine and you feel gross. I know that I feel like after I use dumbbells, my hands get like sticky, and I don't know why, but I have to wipe my hands. After that, it's gross. But this is what shocked me the most, is that I could fit my key pouch in here. So what I usually do is I put like some cards and some cash in here just to like have my wallet, and it fits perfectly in here. How freaking amazing is that? I was so shocked. I was like, let me see if I could fit everything and plus my key pouch, and it fit. Like, there's no distortion. It is just perfect, 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 perfect. So yeah, I love using it like that. So here's everything, chapstick, earbuds, and there's still some room that you could put like, I don't know, something little. But yeah, so I like using it as my little gym bag. I just put it on my wrist like this, grab my keys, and I'm ready to go. So I know this was a quick video, but I just wanted to show you guys different ways you could use this, because before I bought the pochette, I was like, what can I use this for? I was just thinking of different ways because you know me, before I buy something I do my research and I really think about the item before I purchase it because I don't want to make a dumb purchase. I'm not in the position where I could like just purchase anything that I like really. I just have to, I have to love the item and know that I'm going to be using the item. So yeah, I thought about it and I was like, maybe I could use this for this and I could use it for that. And I did watch a couple videos on YouTube and it was super helpful. And yeah, I just wanted to make a video for you guys because I thought it would be helpful for you. And yes, it's a quick video, but I hope it was very informative for you. If you did like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Comment a suggestion of a video, or if you want to tell me a way that you use your mini pochette that I didn't mention, please feel free to. I would love to know and use it in that way. So yeah, I love you guys and I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.